This question is simpler than it sounds. What would happen if the internet disappeared? For 24 hours. Not slowed down, not restricted, just gone. Every server offline, every connection cut, no Wi-Fi, no mobile data, nothing. At first, you probably wouldn't think much of it. You'd open an app, wait a second, refresh, maybe switch networks, but then you'd notice something odd. Nothing works. Messages don't send, videos don't load, searches return nothing. And since the internet is the place you'd normally go to check what's wrong, you wouldn't be able to check. Now, let's think about what actually depends on the internet. Social media is obvious. That disappears instantly. Streaming, gaming, cloud storage, all gone. But those aren't the important parts. The more interesting question is, what doesn't obviously look like the internet, but still depends on it? Take payments. In many places, especially in countries like India, a huge percentage of daily transactions happen digitally. UPI, card machines, banking apps. Without the internet, most of those stop immediately. Shops can't process payments. People who don't carry cash can't buy anything, and that's within the first hour. Now let's go a bit deeper. Modern banking systems are heavily networked. Even if your money is safe, accessing it becomes difficult. ATMs may stop working. Transfers freeze. Stock markets pause because they rely on real-time data. At this point, the problem isn't inconvenience anymore. It's economic slowdown. But wait a minute. Let's say you don't care about money for a day. You still have other systems to think about. Navigation, for example. Most people rely on GPS apps, which depend on internet data for maps, traffic, and updates. Without it, you can still move, but with much less accuracy. Now, scale that up. Delivery systems, logistics, supply chains, trucks, warehouses, shipping routes, all coordinated through network systems. A 24-hour disruption wouldn't collapse them completely, but it would create delays that ripple for days. Now let's talk about something more critical. Hospitals. Many hospital systems use networked databases for patient records, test results, and coordination. Without internet access, some of those systems slow down or switch to manual processes. Not catastrophic, but definitely less efficient. Air travel faces a similar issue. Flights don't fall out of the sky, but scheduling, communication, and coordination become harder. So by this point, we have a pattern. The internet disappearing doesn't instantly destroy the world. Instead, it removes the systems that make everything smooth. Things don't stop. They just struggle. Now, here's the interesting part. What happens to people? Without constant notifications, updates, and feeds, there's suddenly a lot of empty time. At first, that feels uncomfortable. People check their phones again and again, expecting something to change. But nothing does. Eventually, they stop checking. And then something unusual happens. They start doing other things. Talking, walking outside, paying attention to things they normally ignore. For a short time, life becomes slower, quieter, less connected digitally, but maybe a bit more connected in real life. And then, after 24 hours, the internet comes back. Everything reconnects almost instantly. Messages arrive all at once. Apps start working again. Systems recover. From a technical point of view, the damage is limited. But from a human point of view, something changes. Because for one full day, the system we rely on the most was gone. And it turns out, we didn't stop existing without the internet. But we definitely didn't function the same way. Which makes the answer to the question surprisingly simple. If the internet disappeared for 24 hours, nothing would completely break, but everything would remind us just how much we depend on it.